Hi everyone, Chef Emily Ellen here with the family. You know Baby Q and Donovan from all our other videos. But today, it is Mom's Day. I am like getting them pumped for the big day. I know, I'm as excited as Quentin is for Christmas. He's starting to dress himself, if you haven't noticed. Now, Quentin and I's biggest meal is breakfast. We wake up early, we make pancakes, we make overnight oats, and our favorite thing is overnight oats. So we're gonna give Daddy, what do you think, Daddy? A little crash course so they have brownie points. Now, I want all of you guys to have a quick crash course as well on how to make a breakfast in bed tray like this one. Coffee, overnight oats, some fixins, and what Quentin's climbing over me for, orange juice. Now Quentin, remember, you're gonna wake up at 7 a.m. and Daddy, you're gonna bring in the breakfast in bed board. All right guys, let's get started. Baby Quentin and Mommy's overnight oats. Okay, Baby Quentin. We've done this a million times before, and let me tell you, this is a clean out the refrigerator recipe. I'm gonna give you a good solid base recipe, but feel free to like substitute the granola and the dried fruit, and then put in applesauce or peanut butter and chocolate chips or anything that just fits your fancy. Okay, oats. Now, I know you've already been practicing. We have oats in the bowl. So we take a bowl, and we start stirring our oats, and we put in all kinds of fun additions like chia seeds and flax seeds. Nana would be proud of us. And then some dried fruits. Dried bananas are our favorite. So we've already eaten them out of the bowl. And then we add a touch of vanilla. Right, Quentin? Now for Baby Quentin, I don't usually add the honey, but we're going for it this time, right, baby? A couple tablespoons of honey. Yeah. Coconut. And then we add a cup of milk. Start stirring it, Quentin. And our secret ingredient, or not so secret now, a half cup of ricotta. That's okay. Ooh, that's our favorite, right? Yeah. Now give it a good stir. What do you think? Ooh, are we monkeys? Whoa, whoa. Now, are you gonna remember to teach Daddy all these tricks so that Mother's Day, we have this made in the morning? Give it a good stir like this. Add fruit if you have it. And then, Quentin, put a lid on it. Stick it in the fridge, and in the morning, it will be done. Hey, taste tester, I know you've been waiting all day. Oh, we're just gonna go right for the ricotta. Mommy, put ricotta on yours. Try it. This is kid tested and approved, but let me tell you, moms, it will be a welcome treat on your breakfast board tray in the morning. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Here you go. Let Mama have some.